Where does this orientation has to happen? Before marriage, after marriage, between the couple? Where?
Actually, it has to happen before the marriage, because they should know what is
when, because I have two girls and I'm looking out for a boy for my girl. When we start all this discussion? When do we do this? It's practically speaking, it's not possible. Even discussing about, can I have your medical certificate, or can I understand what are your financial goals? All these sounds very foreign to our Indian culture. Practically speaking, I have a daughter who is I'm looking out for a boy. Is it practically speaking possible to sit and talk about all this?
Now it is not possible, or I will rather than not possible. Culturally, if we see, it's difficult, but somewhere we have to start. We will have to start, and we have to understand that today's generation is far beyond than what we are like expecting. They know about it. They had watched the porns. They almost at the age of 10, 12, 13, everyone had seen at least porn one times, I will say. So they know about it. They know about it. What we have to tell them, what is right in that and what is wrong in that. And if you can't do that, like if parents can't do that, they have to like take them to the sexual educators or counselors or somewhere else, like who is trained in the sexology or sexual education. So that is necessary, very much necessary. Now, like because of the porn, like many males are getting to know that this has to happen. This kind of foreplay has to go for almost 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But then again, oral sex and that they have to do that. They have to try 10 positions in just one sexual act. So these kind of misconceptions or these kind of things are getting fed into their mind. So they had to be clear that this is not the proper sex, or this is not what happens in the bedroom. This is just for your entertainment.
The wives can't be a porn star.
Yeah. This is just to stimulate you. So they have to be given proper education, proper information. If parents can do that, then well and good. If they can't do that, then sexual educators or counselors or sexologists are there who can help them.
Beautifully explained.
As I said, I say that adolescents should get sexual education. Everyone going to get married should get sexual education or counseling done at least 1 month prior to getting married, because there are many issues that somewhere people don't want to get a child in 1 month or 2 months. They want to enjoy it for 2 years or 1 year at least before having a child. But they don't know how to do that. They just use condoms, or they use calendar methods, or what Google says to them. So these are they don't know about the percentage of the success of it. So they had to take the proper consultation. They had to go with a sexologist, and they should know about what method they should use. Condom is not for the people who have just married. Condom is for someone who indulge in the sex once in 6 months, 3 months, or something like that. For the newly married couple, OC pills is the better option. So they should know about these things, and they should get adolescents and those who are going to get married, because these kind of things should be told to them, that many times this happens that because of this sexual energy, a man starts doing foreplay. Within 2 minutes he get erection and he will throw his clothes and he will start doing that. So if for the first sex, female is not ready for the sex, he is not properly stimulated, he will feel pain, and she will feel pain, and she will get rigid aversion to the sex, aversion for that act. So they should know, both partners should know. And similarly, many times we say that they are getting exposure to the sex or this kind of things, but many females till date don't know how to do sex, or what is the proper way to do sex, or what does sex mean. So some people might need help with that thing also. So before getting marriage, at least 1 month prior to the marriage, they should get
Sexual orientation.
sexual orientation, or what we say, sexual education or counseling.
Beautiful, beautiful.